Hey Notioners, what's up? Today I'm gonna show you how you can use analytics for Notion to track the traffic of a website that you have built with Super.so and Notion. How is it possible and why to do it? Our technologies works with Super.so and Notions, so it is possible to track the traffic of a website that you have built with those tools. And why to do it is because sometimes you want to go fast or you don't like Google Analytics, or the other tools and you just want to keep it simple. And Analytics for Notion is a good tool to do it. So I am going to show you how it works and how to do it too. So let me introduce you the use case. So why I am building a website with Super.so and Notions. So I have to organize travel with my sisters and families. And as you know, this is not easy to. It's not an easy task to do because each time you are proposing some trips, and people always saying, "Hey, I prefer this. Hey, I prefer this one," and why not? Why we are not going to do that? Everything. So I decided to organize the whole trip and make four different propositions to my sisters and their family, and I build it in Notion, and I want to have it really clean and beautiful, just to make it more sailors in a kind of way. So this is the database that I have built um, with the different destinations of the trip that we can have. And first, we have to set up the trackers into Analytics for Notion. With Analytics for Notion. So we go here, and as you can see, I am already tracking some another database. So I am going to uncheck all, delete the trackers here, and setting the trackers into a new databases. Create tracker, create tracker, create trackers. Okay. Save change. So it is working for me. And this is going to be appearing here. Let's comes. Yes, it is activated. And as you can see, the tracker, the embedding with Notions, you have a not in medium size, and I guess you to reduce it at the maximum. I will show you why next. It's just for an aesthetic reason. So now the pages is ready. So now I have set up my trackers and I want to make a website with Super.so and Notions with my databases, to share my family trip to other people. So I'm going to share it in the web. Okay, copying the link, and I will paste it on another app. So here we are. This is the Super.so administration interface, and I am going to create a new website. This is really easy. So as you can see, you have two kind of website: the upgraded website if you paid for Super.so offers, and the free site. So I choose to do it free. my family okay, trade public, okay, okay, and then I am going back here. Is it live? Yes, it is. And I am going to go to my family trip, and I wanted to see how many people are going to Zadar in Croatia. La Costa Amalfitana. And as you can see, okay, this is why we have reduced the trackers when we set up it into analytics into our Notion databases, because this is a little bit an aesthetic if you have the wall embedding, the first embedding platform. But trust me, this is not critical if you do landing page. Everybody's talking to you that this is really important to have an aesthetic landing page, but this is not really important if you are addressing a problem that is critical for your leads or futures clients. They will subscribe to you offer, and this is not an aesthetic landing page that make a full business. And what is going on Analytics for Notions? Okay, give me another view. La Côte Amalfitaine, les poules, Taormina, 2 view. Okay, you see it. This is real time. Just set up, building Notions, going to my website that I have built with Super.so. Visit the website and you get the metrics just next. Okay, in a minute. This is real time. Okay. La Côte Amalfitaine, les poules, 2 views. Okay, if I want to see this, okay, I have 2 views in 1 sessions. Okay, the browser, that was Chrome. This is it. And other, don't know what it is. Or maybe Notions. And France, total of user. If you want to go to user analytics, okay, one new user, browser, Chrome, and other 20. Desktop, yes, this is me. Locations analytics, United States 0, France 100. Times analytics, okay, on PM. As you can see, this is the real time. So this is real time. You don't have to wait 24 hours like in Google Analytics if you want to have your metrics. This is another interest to use Analytics for Notions and Super.so and Notion to build some landing pages, or if you want to have a portfolio, and or if you are sharing some stuff with your clients. So this is it. This is what I wanted to show you today and share it with you, that just to make you know that you can build website with Notions and some other tools like Super.so, Popsy, and others. I am going to test it all and see if it works with Analytics for Notion, with all those website builders with Notions, and share you all what I am testing about. Okay. Have a good day, all. Hope to see you soon. Bye.